Hello, I've got the Nintendo Switch Tears of the Kingdom edition. So yeah, I decided to get this because I like Zelda a lot. The games are very good, and especially I can't wait for Tears of the Kingdom. Unfortunately, I don't have it with me now because it comes out on the 12th of May. But we got the console anyway, and yeah, I can't wait to unbox it. But the packaging for a start is very nice. Looks so nice. I think it's a good idea putting all the little patterns and everything. And if you look at the back, it shows you the console and all the limited edition artwork on it. So let's do an unboxing and go from there. So just like the normal Switch bundles, but I mean normal Switch console you get all the same stuff, but this is just custom. So this is the console, but we're gonna have a look at that after. Oh, nice Joy-Cons. Wow, it's actually look very nice in person, and it's shiny as well. Looking nice. Another little logo at the back. I haven't used the Joy-Cons for a long time. I was using the Hori ones just for more comfort, but this time I'm gonna use these just for the vibration and the amiibos. Need to experience the game with all the vibration and everything. But this is the other one, the left hand one. Looks nice, very nice. And the instructions, yeah, these are instructions. That's about it. Be nice if they gave us a sticker or something, a couple of Zelda stickers. That would be nice. But it's just a quick save. That's the dock. We're gonna come to that. What's that? It's a HDMI. Don't need to use that. Already got some. Yep, you will need this if you want to plug the dock or anything, or charge the console. Anything new with this? This is where you put your Joy-Con. Oh, it's just a standard black one. I mean, they could have made it white with the patterns on it, but it doesn't matter. Won't be using that anyway. These are nice, put your Joy-Cons in them. So they've got the gold and that, so these are different. But like I said, won't be using these as well. But let's have a look at the dot. This is one of the best parts I want to see. Let's put the box on and look at that. For me, this sold it. It's just the dock. I do like the console as well, of course, but look at that dock. That is just wicked. That is cool. My lighting's quite terrible here, but quickly just try showing you. So look at that. Shiny as well, which is good. It's got little patterns in the back as well. Very nice. So I'm going to display that next to my PS5. Because I'm going to be using this as well to play Tears of the Kingdom on my screen as well, which is going to be good. But look how nice that is. Very nice. So if I put that there, look how good that looks. So you can see it more here because like reflection. And now this is the console. I've got a screen protector as well, so I'll put that on in a minute. Look at that. Nice and shiny. I'm trying not to touch it. And that's the back. Look at that. And you can actually feel it as well, which is nice. So it's not smooth, it's actually like a little engrave. So I'll say put like a case or something, or just protect this. You don't want to scratch this. But look how nice that looks. So let's put the Joy-Cons on. Okay. So I never actually held the Switch for a long time with Joy-Cons. It just feels proper weird. But anyway, because I was using these ones, Okay, so let's put it in the dock and have a look. It's looking good anyway. I think the gold and the green, that looks very good. Put it nicely. Yeah, that looks good. Very nice. So my first as well, my actual first Zelda limited edition console. Always wanted one, so I said, you know what, let me get this. This will be fine. So I'm gonna move that screen and I'm gonna put that there. So it's gonna look good. And yeah, I can't wait. But the main thing is I can't wait for the game. It's gonna be amazing. And yeah, I got to transfer my old Switch data to this, and we're all good. And finish my Xenoblade, and I continue when Zelda Tears of the Kingdom comes out. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.